Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are keeping safe. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a beautiful contemporary family home. This is a 4-bedroom property from Erris Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This property is slightly different from the ones which I've seen so far. It's a 3-story building and inside you have a lot of rooms. The space also is quite okay. And the outer walls, not only for the show home but for all the properties, it's stone built. So these are the front visuals of the house. And the location details are shared in here. It's located in Huddersfield. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have a garage, study, utility and a washroom. On the first floor we have a living room, kitchen with dining and a small office room. And on the second floor we have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a lengthy and spacious hall in front of you with various partitions made towards the study, utility, upstairs, garage and also the washroom. So first let's explore the study. Now this can be called as the first living room or study, workspace, anything you want to. This is the living room in the ground floor. Comparatively, this is smaller than the main living room, which is upstairs. And there's a nice window towards one side, so decent amount of light and good ventilation. Now moving towards the utility in the ground floor. I first thought this was a kitchen, but then I was wondering why the kitchen is so small in such a big house. But this is the utility in the ground floor here. You have the boiler in this utility. There are a few cupboards given at the bottom and also a wash basin. And there's also a window towards one side. And just as you come out of the utility and move forward, you'll find a small storage space here towards the left. This is the space under the staircase. Now let's check out the washroom here in the ground floor. It's a decent washroom. There's also a window coming towards one side. Now many of you wanted to see how the garage looks like, the space inside and everything. Here you have the access towards the garage from inside the house, that is through the hallway. And there's also a door given at the front. So this is the garage here. They actually have their office in this garage at the moment. So it's quite wide and big enough, and the height also is equal to that of the house, which is quite unusual. Now moving upstairs, on the first floor we have the living room, kitchen with dining and a small office space. So first checking out this beautiful living room. A very spacious living room where space is distributed both in length and breadth. And as you can see, there's a nice window given at the front end. So plenty of light and good air movement inside. And since this particular development is located on a hilly area, from these top floors, you actually have amazing visuals through these windows. You can have a nice look of the town around. When you actually try to view the house from outside, it's quite massive because it's on 3 floors and it's stone built. But inside, when you start exploring each room, you'll find that the space also is given generously. I really liked some of the rooms in this house, especially this living room. It looks so beautiful and spacious. The interiors done also are different. First time we are seeing the combination of the green and almond white. It looks good actually, the combination. Overall, a very decent and comfortable living room. For bigger families where you have parents or other elders living with you, or even if you have more than 2 kids, these kind of houses with extra space will be quite helpful. This is all about the living room. Now let's move to the kitchen with dining space. In this particular property, we are getting the kitchen along with dining here on the first floor. This will be new for many of you. As you can see, it's a beautiful modular kitchen and all the modern facilities are included. There are plenty of cabinets at the bottom and even on the top. I also like the basic equipments provided by these builders. Let it be the gas hob, exhaust and oven, everything. The quality is really good. Towards one side you're getting window, so nice light is falling on this kitchen space. And even check out the worktop area. It's quite wide actually, and it's almost covering the four sides, so really good worktop space. And towards the other side you're getting the integrated fridge, freezer, oven, and there's also an extra cupboard. Even the kitchen space is really good. 2 to 3 people can stand and enjoy cooking together. Overall a very decent and comfortable kitchen. And towards the other end you're getting the dining area. Again, the dining space is good. A decent sized dining table with 6 to 8 chairs fits in, and you can easily walk around. Now, since this particular development site is located on a hilly area, as I told you in the beginning, you will have uneven garden space behind. As you can see now, this is the garden space. In the front, it's kind of like lower, and towards the other area, it's got a different height. So it will be uneven at the back. Now, this is quite common feature in most of the areas here in UK, especially those particular areas which are on hilltops. So overall a beautiful kitchen with nice dining space. Let's move to the other rooms of the house. Now opposite to this kitchen and dining, just as you move forward, you'll find another small room. You can convert this as an office space. So this is a small room, but again you're getting a nice window towards one end. So again, good light and ventilation here in this room as well. One more thing I would like to mention here, there are no washrooms here on the first floor. It's just the kitchen with dining, living room, and also the small office space. Now moving towards the second floor. Here on the second floor, let's start exploring the master bedroom first. So this is the beautiful master bedroom, which is quite spacious and beautiful. As you can see, towards one side you have those big wide glass windows with plenty of light falling in the room. The air movement also is quite good. And from these windows you'll have those amazing visuals of the town around. There's an attached bath coming to this bedroom here. Towards the front end here, you can find that extra space where you can actually plan the wardrobes. So your wardrobes are coming here in the front. And if you just check out the height of the room, it's quite good actually. On each floor, they try to give a very good height for all the rooms, which is another positive feature. And towards this side you have the ensuite facilities. So again, it's a decent bathroom. You have the walk-in shower, sink and water closet, and there's also a window coming towards one side. There's also another small room inside this bedroom here. It's kind of like a storage space. They provided a door and lock for this. You can hang something, or you can plan some bookshelf or something inside if you want to. It's totally up to you. It's a nice space provided, and it's getting along with the wall. So this is all about the master bedroom. And now just beside the master bedroom you have another small bedroom. This can be used as a kids room, storeroom, anything you want to. There's a nice window coming towards one side, so very good light falling inside the room. You actually have 2 double bedrooms here, and the master bedroom is comparatively bigger than the other double bedroom, and then again 2 small bedrooms. So this is one of the smaller bedrooms. Now just opposite to this small bedroom, you have another small bedroom. So this can be used as the kids' bedroom as they've decorated here, or you can use it as a computer room, storeroom, anything you want to. So the space is much similar to that of the other small bedroom. The interiors done in the kids' room are quite attractive, very colorful. Kids will really love it. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom of the house, this is also the second double bedroom. But the size and the space inside the bedroom are comparatively smaller than that of the master bedroom. A double cot fits in and you can walk around. There's a nice window coming towards one side, so very good light and ventilation again. And towards the front end of the room, you have some extra space. So if you want to plan a wardrobe, you can plan in the front end. I really like the interiors done in this particular room, the wallpaper design and also the mattress and cover, everything else. The pink and white combination, the light pink. This kind of decorations will be really good for teenage girls. They'll really love it. Overall, a beautiful bedroom with decent space. So just beside this fourth bedroom, you have the common family bathroom. This is again a fully tiled bathroom. You have the bathtub, sink and the wash basin coming in. There's also a window coming towards one side. Overall, a decent bathroom. Now just as you come out of this bathroom, beside it you'll find another small storage space with door and lock. You can hang something inside and store anything if you want to. So we covered all the rooms in this particular property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on our future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.